Hi, it's James at Workshop Software. I want to give you this quick update about some really cool things that have been going on. First up, I want to say a big thanks to everybody because we've been getting some amazing feedback. There's been lots of cool things going on of recent times. We've done heaps of amazing updates, but one today in particular that is super special that I want to give you an insight into, and I think this can really change the way that you might be running your business. It's all got to do with the mobile app. So the brand new mobile app has got full functionality of you being able to handle an invoice from go to end. And that means creating a new invoice, being able to process the invoice, email it to your clients, take payments. You can even see old invoices and search for them inside the app. We've really taken the app to the next level, which will give you, when you're out on the road or you need that particular time when you can quickly jump on and go and see what's going on with jobs and process them and update them and so on, has all got that functionality inside the app, which is a really cool new feature. So get your hands on the new app. Love your feedback on it. And again, thanks for all your positive feedback of recent times. We've been doing lots of great updates and been really looking after what's going on with Workshop Software. And I really want to thank you for the great feedback that you've been giving us. Thanks.